I'm Diamond Master Clarita Goltiano Ruiz, not your host, but your speaker for Marketing Plan today. I'm also from Silang Atom Eye Center. Alright, so kanina na-discuss ang magagandang product. And obviously, maganda rin for sure ang kitaan. So let's get started. Can you please ask your seatmate dyan sa tabi ninyo, yung mga nanonood din, ask yourself, how's your income? Dali, tanungin mo yung kaibigan mo. O yan. How's your income? Oh, good daw. Wow, very good. From Sharon Rose Master Marina. Okay? Now, dun sa mga nanonood sa YouTube or in Facebook Live, I don't know what your financial situation is, but lend me your ears, listen to my lecture, alright? It'll just be around 30 minutes. Huwag po muna kayo mag-cellphone. Makinig po muna kayo sa akin. Ayan. Alright? Dahil isang taon ko itong pinaghandaan. Yes. Alright. You know, one of the reasons why I didn't join Atomy right away, it was 2016 when my ex-boyfriend, now husband then, all right, is with Atomy already, but I did not join or really get interested because of the income or marketing plan. Hindi ko talaga siya maintindihan, all right? Maybe because it's really a different structure, all right? Ibang way. But you know what? It's very easy pala once you get to know it. All right? So sabihin mo sa katabi mo, napakadali lang ang Atomy. Yes. So going back to my question, how's your income? Kamusta ba ang inyong kaperahan? Lalo na, a few days from now, it will be December, and you know what? You need cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Kailangan natin pambili ng mga panregalo, panghanda, baka yung iba sa inyo magtatago sa mga inaanak. Alright? So maybe this time it will be a totally different story because you have something to give. You have something to share as your blessings, right? Alright. Now, my only request is, pag may tanong po ako, please may sagot. Can we do that? Alright, let's get going. So, think of your income as a table. Siguro naman lahat na kayo nakakita ng table, right? Okay. Alright. So, if you can see in the picture, yung isang table, there's only one leg. So what happens if you only have one leg to support the table? If the leg breaks, because there's only one, then the table collapses. Bagsak. Alright? Wala na. And we've seen that during like pandemic, or when you lose your job, you get laid off, natanggal, natsugi, alright, na-terminate, end contract. So, ano mangyayari? Nga. Wala nang pera. Okay? But, compared to a table that has multiple legs to support the table, so what happens if one leg breaks? Nakatayo pa rin ang table, it will be a little wobbly, magalaw siya, but can still stand. So that happens when you have multiple streams of income. All right? There's nothing wrong with the job. I've been employed for like 20 years, and I'm so blessed with those job experiences because this is where I got it from now. All right? Marami po tayong matututuhan. But, wag mo lang tambayan. Wag mo lang tagalan. Tumambay ka lang sa trabaho mo. Meaning, have another source of income that will give you passive or residual income. Bakit? Because right now, if you're working, as I've said, there's nothing wrong with that, but this is a linear income. Ano yun? You work, then you get paid, and then the process stops. Without work, remember, sabi ko, pag may tanong, may sagot. Hindi yata kayo naghemuhim. O nagagandahan kayo sa akin kasi, well, you know, collagen, hemohim, Adelica makeup. All right, as I was saying, okay, no work. When you get sick, no way, kasi absent ka, obviously. So, what if you can do a residual income? Pipeline income. Pipeline business. Sakto kasi yung pinanood kanina natin with CEO. That's actually the totality of my lecture. So what is residual income? You work, you get paid, and then the process can repeat itself over and over again. Bibigyan mo lang siya lang like 3 to 5 years, you do it, and then it will create income on its own. Sinong gusto ng ganon? Taas ang kamay. Yan, i-claim na natin. Alam niyo ba, naalala ko yung lecture dati sa previous company ko. Sabi niya, yung mga networking, yung MLM is actually para sa mga taong tamad. Totoo naman. Aba, ikikita ka. Tulog ka, ganyan. Nagbakasyon ka. Tapos pag-check mo ng Atomy website mo, aba, may pera. Tama ba? Sino na nakakaranas ng ganyan? Sino yung pagising mo? Wow, pairing. Wow, naku, sayang. Nag-flash out. Sino may ganon? Experience. Ayan, di ba? Ang sarap-sarap. Alam mo, pag ganyan, lagi ako nag-check ng website ko. Okay? I check. Pag nasa 296,000 PV na, okay, magme-message na ako sa group chat namin. Partners, kung may order po kayo, please, ilagay nyo na sa date, na next date na, para hindi magpa-flash out. Di ba? Kasi sayang naman, di ba? Alright, mga technique lang yan. Okay, you can ask your sponsors about that. So, as I was saying, let's go for residual income. Let's aim to have residual income, all right? Why? Because you have residual bills. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung yung paulit-ulit yung bills mo, di ba? Say hello to Judith. Kilala niyo ba si Judith? Okay, si Judith ng bills, water bills, electric bills. And ngayon, nadagdagan pa yung internet, di ba? Kasama na rin yung sa babayaran mo. Okay? So, if you have residual bills, then dapat meron ding residual income. Okay? Because as I've said, if something happens to you, okay, paano na? Meron pa rin pang sustain. And, let's face it, magiging malakas ka ba until age 65? Can you still do the commuting? Let's say, hindi ka naman nagkaroon ng financial to buy your own car. Can you imagine yourself working like 40 years, traveling to and fro, going from your house to your work, makikipagsiksikan sa MRT, alright? And lahat na ng alikabok, nasagap mo kung gusto mo mag-jeep. Eh kung nag-angkas ka, baka maangkas ka nga. Di ba? So, you have a choice. You have a choice to create a residual income. So how? Welcome to Atomy Business Model. Okay, paano ba ito? Okay, it's very easy. Hindi ko kasi siya naintindihan dati. Ganito lang pala siya. So please, lend me your ears. It all starts with your consumption. This is one of the common thing for all of humanity. We all consume. Ano ba yung consume, ma'am? Masunog? We consume. Ano ba yan? The moment you wake up, what do? Cellphone. Kayo ha? Check mo na kaagad yung PV mo. Yeah, just kidding. Alright. The moment you wake up, you brush your teeth, alright? You take a shower. So, ibig sabihin, nag-consume ka kaagad ng toothpaste. Tama? You consume water. That's why you pay electric bills. Water bills. Okay? So, you consume shower gel, body cleanser, shampoo, conditioner. So, you buy those shampoo, you buy those soap, right? And then magkakape ka, and so on and so on. We are all consumers. Sabihin mo nga sa katabi mo, we are all consumers. So, sino ngayon ang kumikita? Yung producer. Siyempre, may consumer, may tagagawa, may producer. Tama ba? Pwede rin kayo mag-apply sa akin, producer ako ng ABS-CBN. That's a different thing. Alright? So yung consumption pala natin can be an economic gain. Magiging income. How? Check your mart. Saan ka ba bumibili ng daily needs mo? Palengke, groceries, supermarket. All you need to do is switch, change, go buy at your Atomy online shopping mall. Okay? So, your daily activities, your consumption can be turned into income. Ayan, nakikita ninyo, iba't ibang ginagawa natin. We take a shower, we exercise, we do laundry. Sino ang mga lalaki? Nagla-laundry! Taas ang kamay, wow! Si Sir parang galing na sa You know, I admire men who do their laundry. You know, well, obviously, I guess hindi naman yan mano-mano, right? Washing machine, so loaded na lang yan. But then, you know, I really commend men who do that because they are very helpful to their partners. And shout out na rin sa aking husband. He does that. All right. Okay, then we take a shower, we put makeup. Ayan. Sabi ni CEO, di bali nang wag kumain, basta makapag-makeup, makapag-lipstick. And true enough, yung sponsor ko, si Ma'am Heron Park, you know, bago kumain yan, ako, kailangan 1 hour muna na nagmi-makeup. Alright? Bago kakain. And we do the dishes, we do coffee, we cook. Alright? All of these daily activities involves consumption of our daily needs. So what we're gonna do? First, di ba, nagde-demo, may na-share sa inyong mga Atomy products like yung ma-discuss kanina. You become an Atomy consumers. You buy products, okay? You try it first, di ba? Sa mga demo. Okay, and once you do that, you become a fan. Atomy fan. You continuously buy the product and you recommend it to other people. Not just recommending it, but the product speaks for itself. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Kahit di ka magsalita, sila na ang magtatanong sa'yo, Mare, parang may kakaiba sa'yo ngayon. Iba ang iyong glow. Iba ang iyong skin. Ano bang sekreto mo? Yan. O di syempre biglang, ting! Alam na, yari ka sa akin. Pag tumingin ka sa akin, akin ka. Yan ang sabi ng sponsor ko, di ba? Alright. So kapag gano'n na ang tanong, o di syempre, this is your time to talk about the products. And it doesn't become a hard selling. Hindi yung pilit na, pare, bilhin mo to kasi kailangan mo ng PV, di ba? Hindi. It comes out naturally. It comes out naturally. One, because unang-una, gusto mo siya rin gumanda. Tama ba? Okay, sino dito yung mga may partners na kasabay nyo na nag-challenge din or gumagawa ng skincare? Taas nga ng kamay. Yan, may beauty body ang tawag ko doon. Okay, uy, nag-peel off mask ka na ba ngayon? Hanggang kasi minsan yung iba talaga tinatamad. Okay, kung merong exercise body, meron ding beauty body. Okay, so, uy, pare, energizing ka na ba? Ganon, to remind them, okay? So, the product speaks for itself, and then because of that, nagiging auto-consumer na sila. And that's when they change the store. Automatic. Dati, pupunta sila sa supermarket, groceries, palengke. Ngayon, ching! Asan nga yung cellphone ko? Ay, eto yung Atomy mobile app. And then, add to cart, and then, check out. Tapos yung sponsor mo, sobrang saya. Alright? Pagtingin niya, wow, Absolute Skincare! Magkano ang PV ng Absolute Skincare? Sige nga. 130,000 PV. Okay. So you change your online store or you change where you buy to Atomy online store. Okay? Napakasimple lang. Kung meron kang app ng S and L, mas dapat meron ka ng Atomy mobile app. It's free to download at Google Play Store. Alright? Now, since you keep on buying, you generate PV, then you receive general commission. Your increased household income through the marketing plan. So nagulat ka, ano ba itong mga PV? Million na. Anong gagawin ko dito? Bakit nagkaroon ako ng pairing? Bakit ako nagkaroon ng 2,400? Wala naman akong ginawa. Bumili lang ako ng products. I just used it. Then you become interested in the business. You become an Atomy business partner. All right? So you talk to your sponsor, and you participate in the Success Academy, Zoom meeting, one-day seminar, Success Academy, okay? So, the secret to earn in Atomy is just change your mark. change where you purchase the products. From store A, from store B, store C, dito ka na sa Atomy. Okay? Kaya pag may nagtanong sa iyo, lalo na pag may mga reunion, ito, di ba, malapit ng holidays, magre-reunion na, right? Oh, Mare, anong balita sa iyo? What do you do? Anong sagot? Ganito daw ang sagot. I'm an APPO. Sige nga, ano meaning ng APPO? Kanina, pinanood natin sa video, di ba? I'm an Atomy Personal Platform Owner. Ganyan ang sagot. Okay? Pang Miss Universe na sagot. What do you do? I'm an Atomy Personal Platform Owner. APPO. O yan, susulat na ni Sir Nigel. Alright. Okay, so, it all boils down to the purchase of Atomy products. Eh, bakit ka naman bibili sa Atomy? Eh, masaya naman na ako sa dati kong product, sa dati kong brand. Pero kanina na-discuss, it's because of the absolute quality and absolute price. So these are examples of the product, yung ating website, ano? So just like any regular shopping mall, add to cart, meron ding wish list, pwede mong i-heart, okay? And then you just check out. Now, every product has PV. PV, point value. Pakisabi mo nga sa katabi mo, PV. Alright, that's the two most important alphabet letters once you become an Atomy member. Tama ba? PV. Alright. So, ano ba ang strength ng Atomy business? Why will you do it? Bakit mo naman siya kailangan gawin? Eh, happy naman na ikaw sa work. Eh, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Have a multiple stream of income so you can have residual income. Una, it's binary. 2 legs lang. Walang 7 heads. Walang 5 legs. Alam niyo ba, in my previous company, no? So, pinupush doon 7 heads, 15 heads. All right, well, I'm not gonna say negative about it, but you will learn a lot from it. Okay, if you become wise. Buti na lang talaga, you know, I have this heart, kaya nang sinabi ni Ma'am kanina, yung when you offer the business, gustong-gusto na nila eh. Eh kaso, wala silang pam-pay-in. So, doon pa lang ang hirap na agad, di ba? And then, sasabihin mo pa, mag 7 heads ka. Kasi ganito, kikita ka, ganito. Di ba? Eh, without you knowing it, ginisa mo lang din ang sarili mo sa sarili mantika. Tama ba? Alright. Now, second strength, no subscription fee. No entry fee. Di ba? Libre. I'm telling you, I've done the online business dun sa dati kong network. I was able to have foreigners from different countries pay in, magbayad sila, no? They don't even know me, we just met in Facebook, but they trusted me, they paid, they registered, pero alam mo yung meron akong, alam mo yun yung meron kang konsensya na, kawawa naman to, parang ngayon pasok na siya, mahihirapan na siya, alam niya, kumbaga alam ko mahihirapan na siya magpa-join. Okay, kung ako nga hirap na hirap, edi siya rin mahihirap, di ba? So, yan, tinanggal na ni Atomy. That's why, anong sabi ni Atomy? Atomy rewrites the history of direct selling. Okay, inalis niya na kagad yung isa sa dahilan bakit hindi gagawin ng ganitong klaseng negosyo. So can you please give Atomy a hand for that? Free registration. Ang mahirap lang, you know what? Pag free, pag may bayad, anong sasabihin? Scam. Pag free, scam pa rin. Right? But let's focus on the positive side. Third, it's unlimited accumulation. All right? Unlimited. Tuloy-tuloy. When you say unlimited, unlimited. Walang tigil. Only rise hanggang kung kailan gusto mo. Sige. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. All right? So, kahit ilan pa ang i-register mo, you can do so. Okay. Next. Infinite levels, sabi ko nga, unlimited accumulation, and then Global One Marketing. Global One Marketing means even if you're coming from different countries, you can join Atomy without registering again. Ano ibig sabihin? Let's say nasa Philippines ka, you migrated in US, you migrated in Japan, Korea, or in Canada, you don't have to join Atomy over there kasi accepted na siya. Unlike other companies, kung nag-join ka sa USA, you still have to join in that particular branch. So, di ba, ang galing. Global tayo, alright? And then the compensation ceiling, merong ceiling. That's why wala ditong nauna, wala ditong nahuli. Everybody can meet at the top. That's why yun ang sinasabi natin, right? See you at the top! Alright, so, another thing is, this is a third generation inheritance. Pwede mong ipamana ang negosyo na ito. Tanong ko sa'yo, ito bang position mo? Let's say you are the general manager of a bank. Pwede mo bang ipamana yan sa anak mo when you retire? Hindi, di ba? Pwede mo bang ipamana yung position mo sa magiging apo mo? No. But enemy, you can pass it on. You are already paving the way for their future. Isn't that amazing? Alright, so ito na. Ano ba yung PV? This is the criteria for determining the conditions of commission distribution for members by assigning points to the product purchase. So bawat products ng Atomy, unless otherwise indicated, lahat may PV, point value. And sabi kanina ng speaker, no, ipunin lang natin yan. Alright? So there are two kinds of PV. Personal PV and group PV. Ano yung personal PV? Alright? So personal PV, this is the points you accumulated from buying from your own website. So halimbawa, ito po, ikaw no, ako yan, si Miss CG. I buy products, I buy Hemohim, I buy Inner Collagen, cosmetics, health, beauty, and products, and so on. Nagkakaroon ka ng personal PV. That's your points. Now, this doesn't expire. Hindi po ito na-expire, nawawala. Alright? Now, it's important that once you join Atomy, you have to at least have one purchase in a year. Otherwise, madi-deactivate. Mawawala ka sa system ng Atomy. So I guess, sa loob naman ng isang taon, imposible namang hindi ka mag-toothbrush. Imposible namang hindi ka maligo, right? So you will buy it. You'll buy it anyways. So might as well buy at the Atomy online shopping mall. So now, ano naman yung GPV? So sabi kanina, di ba? Binary. You just make a group. Okay, naghihingalo na yata ito. Oops. All right. So you have left group and right group, okay? So, your partner, your consumers, okay, will buy products. Magkakaroon din sila ng kanilang sariling PV. Diba? Kasi bumili sila sa sarili ng product. But because of this will become your group PV. Group na yan. Lahat accumulated na yan. Alright? So bakit importante itong personal PV? Ito. Okay? Dahil diyan nakasalalay ang magiging commission mo. Alright? Kung magkano ang ibibigay sa'yo ni Atomy. Alright? So, eto na. So, sabi nga, di ba kanina, you keep on buying the products, you become an Atomy fan. Sino sa inyo dito yung once na natikman yung Atomy products, you want more? You want to try this? You want to add this? Okay? Yes, ang dami tumataas sa kamay. Why? Because you've seen and proven na napakaganda ng product. Okay? So, uy, nawala na. Okay. So, importante na itong personal PV mo tumaas, umangat. It starts from 10,000 PV. Okay? 10,000 PV is roughly around 1,000 pesos, 1,200, depende sa product na bibilin mo. Okay? Kapag ganyan po ang iyong personal PV, alright, ang commission mo is 800 pesos. And then once it becomes 300,000 PV, okay, it becomes 2,400. And then tataas yan, magiging 700. Okay, because you keep on buying the products. Alright, marami ang nag-e-enjoy ng products. Buong family mo na gumagamit ng products. Alright, hanggang naging 2,400 PV. PV po ha, hindi pesos. Darating din tayo dyan. Alright? So, your PV, personal PV, will be dictated to your commission. So ano ba yung mga klase ng commission? First, we have general commission, mastership bonus, mastership promotion, and the censor commission. Alright, itong general commission na ito, mabilis lang, you can ask your sponsor about it. Okay, if you can see in the screen, merong mga scores, 5, 15, 30, 60, etc. This depends on your personal PV nga. Okay, so kapag may 10,000 PV ka na, and then yung group PV mo nag-accumulate ng particular point, mamaya explain ko, yun yung magiging basis niya. So let's say, dito sa left group mo, bumili siya ng 100, bumili siya ng 50, alright, ito bumili ng 150,000 points. Ilan na po lahat? 300. So dito naman sa left, etong partner mo, let's say from USA, nag-coffee. Alright, bumili siya ng kape. Okay, bumili pa siya ng sabong panlaba, nag-makeup. Okay, eto naman, umabot siya ng 100,000 PV. Okay, etong kaibigan mo sa Canada. Wow, sino may mga partner sa Canada? Alright, so bumili siya ng Absolute Skincare kasi nakita niya maganda sa weather sa Canada, no? Masyadong humid doon, dry, maganda pala yung Atomy products doon. Okay? So umabot siya ng 200,000 PV. Alright, ito naman, bumili ng mga sabong panlaba, bumili ng pampaganda, pampasexy, apple phenol, yung mga purity, yung pampasexy nga, no? Okay, umabot siya ng 100,000 PV as well. So pag kinumpute natin yan, sabi natin accumulated, right? 100, 200, 100. Ilan po lahat? 400,000 PV. Ito ay 300,000 PV. Ngayon, ang personal PV mo, let's say, is 10,000 pa lang. Okay, kasi kakasimula mo pa lang eh. Ngayon mo pa lang na-try yung Atomy products. Question, meron bang general commission? Okay, ito yon. Paano yon? Okay. Alright. So, from the example, no? Meron tayong general commission. Why? Because the left group and right group accumulated 300,000 points each leg. Okay? Lalo na nagbe-base yun sa lower leg. So, halimbawa, ito yung lower leg natin kasi 300,000 lang, di ba? It's konti lang siya. So, may 300,000 PV, pero yung personal PV mo is only 10,000. So, ano ang iyong commission rate? 800 pesos. Now, this is already good. Why? Because magkano ang rate sa normal na trabaho? 500, diba? Mamamasahe ka pa. So 800 is already good, right? Okay, now, sa next example natin, your left, right, ngayon naging 300,000 PV ka na. Okay, kasi crazy ka na talaga sa Atomy. Bumili ka na ng shampoo, bumili ka pa ng Medicook. Sino na ang bumili ng Medicook? Ayan, okay. So, nag-accumulate din yung group mo. Okay, you keep on sharing the Atomy business. Marami ang nag-join. Alright? Marami na rin ang naging consumer. Okay, so yung left and right mo, each receive 300, 300. So, dahil tumaas na ang personal PV mo, ang iyong commission ay 2,400 na. So, same effort, different result. So, you might as well go for a higher personal PV. Iyan ang i-goal mo. Tumaas ng tumaas ang personal PV mo. You have a lot of daily needs anyway, right? Yung bahay mo lang is a gold mine. Pakisabi mo sa katabi mo, my house is a gold mine. Tumingin ka lang, pumunta ka lang sa kusina mo, ang dami mo na mabibili. Dish detergent, sponge, scrub, okay, yung mga panglaba, okay? So marami. Eh, ikaw na lang sa sarili mo, head to foot. Ang babae, alam mo may partner ako, sabi niya, gusto ko mga, i-recruiting ko, mga babae. Priority niya babae. Bakit? Aba, head to foot, ang daming needs, tama? Unlike sa mga boys. Okay, so paano naman pag tumaas na? Naging 700,000 PV ka na. Okay, kasi hindi lang ikaw ang gumagamit, family mo, and so on and so on. 700,000 PV ka na. Ito, 300, 300. Magkano ang commission mo? Magkano ang commission? You have 700,000 PV, pero yung group PV mo, 300 lang, 400. So, dito pa rin magbe-base, no? 300. Magkano? Dito ka pa rin sa 2,400. Okay? Kasi yun yung rate ng 300. Pero eto, what if this happens? Okay? Yung left and right group mo, nag-accumulate, dumami ang partners mo, nagkaroon ka ng partner sa China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore, kay dumami ng dumami, okay? Naipon, nagkaroon ka ng 700,000 PV accumulated. Nag-accumulate, tumaas, lahat ng binili nila, umabot ng 700. Ito po walang time frame ha, hanggat iniipon yung points, hanggat hindi nare-reach yung 700, it will just go on and go on. Okay? So, ganun din sa right group. Umabot din ng 700,000 PV. What happens to your commission? 700,000 ang personal PV mo. Left and right group mo, nag-accumulate ng 700,000 PV. Ang iyong magiging commission ay 5,000 pesos. Maganda ba yon? What can 5,000 give to you every day? Aba, parang kalahati na yan ang sweldo mo, right? Okay, so ito ang example ng group PV, no? This is from our personal account. As you can see there, yung may red mark, okay? 1 million sa left, yung right is 455. So kahit ganun yung level, magbe-base siya sa lower leg. So dun sa 400. So nandun siya sa level of score 15, grade 7, yung kaninang chart na pinakita ko, no? So, yung 15 na score, so that's 2,400. Now, look at the next page, the next box. This is 800 plus, yung personal, yung left group, and then yung right group is 700 plus. So, doon siya magbe-base sa 700 na commission. 5,000. And so on and so on. And you can see here, every day namin yan na-reach. Every day. Ibig sabihin, maraming bumibiling consumer. So question, what if 2,400 is deposited into your account in 1 year? In 10 years? In 30 years? Ito yung sinasabing pipeline income. So the secret is go ahead and change your mart. Okay? Saan na tayo bibili ng daily needs? Saan na bibili ng ating daily needs? Atomy Online Shopping Mall. So next is the Mastership Commission. So we have 7 levels or 7 ranks. Can we please read everyone? Ready, begin. An Imperial Master. Alright, so ito yung mga levels. So how do you do this? So, Sales Master, kailangan ng personal PV mo, 700,000 PV. And then, left and right will accumulate a total of 2.5 million PV in 15 days. So, you will choose 1 to 15 or 16 to 30 of the month. And what you will receive? You get the commission, yung general commission, which is around 17,000. And then, meron ka pang a Mastership Bonus Sales Master na around 17,000 as well. So just from that pairing, nasa 34,000 pesos ka na. Plus this bonuses. You get a box of Hemohim, a box of the Fame, and skincare, evening care for set. So ayan po yung example namin, no, nung na-promote po kami yung Sales Master. These are from our group. We're so happy kasi they took the risk and did the challenge. Now, Diamond Master the second level, ang gagawin mo lang, yung Sales Master mo, gawin mo sila, hilain mo sila, no? Magiging Diamond Master ka when you have 2 Sales Master on your left and on your right. Again, on a certain time frame, 1 to 15 or 16 of the month. And of course, you get the bonuses from Mastership, plus this, Atomy products, incentives. Laptop. Sino gusto ng laptop? Now I'm using my laptop. Very helpful sa business. And you get a box of Hemohim, the Fame, and evening care for set. Ayan po kami noong na-promote Diamond Master. We did a challenge May 2023. All right. So we're looking forward for higher mastership. Ito na yung susunod. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga Sharon Rose Master. Yan. Okay. How do you become a Sharon Rose Master? So yung Diamond Master mo, hilain mo lang sila. I mean, yung Sales Master mo, hilain mo sila. Kapit kamay. Kaya wag mo kayong bibitaw sa inyong sponsor. Sabihin mo, hawak kamay tayo, sponsor. Yan. So ang gagawin, para maging Sharon Rose, you create Diamond Master on your left and right. Again, on the same time frame you choose. Plus this time, you get 80,000 pesos. And a travel voucher. Alright. Ayan, nagpa-picture po talaga ako kay newly promoted Sharon Rose Master, Cherry Dulnuan. Pagbaba niya, nandun ako sa baba. Sabi ko kasi, i-attract ko na. Ako na ang susunod na Sharon Rose Master. And then, Star Master. So, you create Sharon Rose Master 2 on your left and on your right. Now, aside from bonuses, mastership bonuses, yung general commission, you also receive how much? 400,000 pesos. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, 400,000 pesos. Can you imagine that? Almost 500,000. Sino na yung nakatanggap? Sino na yung nakatanggap ng ganong halaga? Maybe from their work or regalo ng ninong-ninang nila. Sino? Sino na? Alright, wow. Okay, di ba? Grabe. Yung magbilang ka ng ilang thousand yan. And you also get a travel for 3 days and 4 nights. And then, Royal Master! Ito na yung ating speaker next month. Okay, you create 2 Star Master on your left and on your right. Again, aside from General Commission, Mastership Bonus, you also get 2 million cold cash! Alright? You also get a travel ticket for 4 for your immediate family. This time, 10 days and 10 nights and 11 days. I believe this is on a cruise. Magku-cruise sa Europe. Sino gusto mag-cruise sa Europe? Alam niyo, sawa na ako dyan. As you know, I'm a former cruise ship, but I want to become as a guest. This time, I'm a guest. I'm not a crew. All right, and I have tips to give. All right? Okay, bakit? Kasi meron akong, pag Royal Master ka, you also receive 80,000 pesos per month from a debit card. Imagine you have something to spend for your team, for partnering, team building, to help buy products, and you get a mid-size vehicle rental car. Okay, next, Crown Master. Sino na kaya susunod na Crown Master natin? You make 2 Royal Master on your left, and your right, and this time you receive 12 million pesos! Now let me repeat this, 12 million in just 15 days. Can you imagine that? 15 days, 12 million. Baka ito na yung buong income mo sa loob ng 60 years of working. But here in Academy, only 15 days. And you get a travel ticket also for 10 nights, 11 days. This time, full-size vehicle and yung debit card mo, 200,000 pesos! Cash ka lang, chiching-ching yan. And then, of course, the Imperial Master. This is what we're aiming for. Okay? You promote 2 Crown Master, left and right. You receive in a forklift, how much? 50 million pesos! Grabe, pag iniisip ko kaya, saan ko kaya ito gagastusin? Ilang Louis Vuitton kaya ang bibiling kong bag? Ilang Porsche? Ilang Ferrari? Alright? But the company will give you a full-size vehicle, travel ticket, 400,000 debit card na ipang support mo sa team. And you get an office rental for free, a driver with a secretary. Napakaganda po talaga, di ba? This can happen if we persevere. So this is the one in the forklift. So next is the commission, center commission. All right, so this is for the maintenance of the education center, electric bill, and this is in our Silang Atom Eye Center. All right, so you just plug into the Academy Success System. One-day seminar, education centers, you go to your centers, support them, punta kayo doon, do facials, demo, and attend the Success Academy. Now, this is the question. Being broke is hard. Becoming wealthy is also hard. Choose your hard. Again, this is Clarita Gultiano, Diamond Master from Silang Atomar Center. God bless everyone!